What's going on, YouTube? Back again with another video. I know it's been a minute, so I just got off the phone with a partner of mine, Time for Tint. He got a few projects that he's working on. Asked me could I swing through and check out what he got though. He said it'd be real good for the channel. And also, we got the G-Body shirts out. We got the old school G-Body keys and my new slogan, drive them if you got them. You know, I got one. I can't drive it yet, but we working on that, so it's coming. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but it's coming though. So anyway, I'm about to run out here to my homeboy shop, see what he got in store for y'all, and I'll cut you right back on when I get there. I'll be honest with you, I should have had all that conversation on video. I said I should have had all that conversation on video. Yeah, you know, the best stuff I always get missed, you feel me? Yep. So, alright, y'all gonna see where I'm at, man. I'm over here with my partner Rob, man. He busy at work, doing what he do. So y'all see the shirt, man. I did that logo for him about what, 2 years ago maybe? Oh yeah. Something like that.
Good logo.
Timeless logo. A logo he ain't got to ever worry about changing, you know. Okay. So, what's going on, man? Man, chilling. Hey, who truck this is? This yours? Okay. Man, what's these, what, 8s?
I ain't even checked. They at least 6s. At least.
Man, if they... Shoot, I don't see it.
I'd be surprised if they was...
I see it, I just can't read it. Say what?
I said, I'd be surprised if they was 8s, but I wouldn't put it past.
Man, this thing here is gorgeous, bro.
What is this what you call blurple?
Huh?
Is this what you would call blurple?
Shit, yeah. But you know what, on video it look blue though. Okay. Yeah, but I can see the purple in it though, like here. Yeah, this thing here look good, man. So man, Time for Tint, man. That's the partner, man. I've been knowing him for years. I done saw you graduate several times in business. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? So this the stage right now.
Many more levels to go.
Man, yeah, from the garage to here.
The big garage.
Man, I still remember when he was working a part-time job getting stuff. Now you was full-time, what?
Yeah, I was CNA.
Yeah.
I think I was in nursing school.
You was in nursing school? Man, stop it.
I was in nursing school.
Alright, so nursing school, CNA, then what you did, insurance or something?
Sold insurance.
Sold insurance. And now he one of the #1 top tint dudes around here, man. Man, you can't go wrong with investing in yourself, man. I know I did it.
You remember when I do tint for the low?
Yeah, I remember that. Alright.
Did some of them shirts.
I do 10 for the low. Like, look, is it still for the low?
It is. It's the best price around here.
Oh, for real?
It's definitely the best price.
Man.
Quality.
Alright. He definitely got some quality to come with him, because if he didn't have no quality, whoever truck this is won't be shopping with him.
I had to work my way up to this truck.
Yeah. And I know you stay busy, man, because I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I see you online, but I don't see you in person because you're always grinding.
What's up?
Yeah.
What's up?
Look, can I walk around for a minute?
Oh, yeah, do your thing.
Okay, cool. Alright. Check out through talking about. That's his puppy there. From an old pit. We got a bulldog right here. Got the Johnson & Johnson. Learned about that from my homeboy Andre. This the Galaxy right here. I ain't seen the Galaxy in a good little minute. This thing here gonna be straight when he get it going though. I ain't gonna lie to him. I ain't gonna lie. This thing here gonna be straight. He got this here from his granddad, man. Granddad, I think he was the original owner. Bought it back in 63 or 64, something like that. So, yes indeed, man. Watch out. Okay. Dang. Now we got a Elko right here. I can't tell you what year it is, cause shoot, it looked like it's one of the last years produced. Look good though. I love the profile on it. Now this here one of my son's favorites right here. Yeah, my son, he love those Love the Corvettes. Old school. I like how the hoods pop up on these things. That's like a car show up in here, man. Alright. Got an SS sitting over here. Interior done. They fixed up a while back. You see you don't drive it, but it's clean though. Old school pickup right here. Side step. Alright. This thing here is nice. Man, I'm sure, man, my partner Rob, he do not mind coming to work. I promise, dude. Like he work at a car show. For real. Well, you can't hate this job. Alright. What's up, fella? What's up, fella? Alright.
I want to go and do the side so I can get out your way. You can go and just start cleaning the back window real good. I know we got like a lot of dirty stuff in the corner.
Hey man, so you want to go ahead and shout out your business, let everybody know how to find you?
Time for Tint. We on Facebook, Instagram. Type us in on Google. Address, it'll pop up. Bring you right to the front of it.
Alright, man. Y'all hear them. Time for Tint, man. Holler my people. Definitely holler my people, man. So he'll get you in and out. Man, what's your average turnaround time in here, man? I know it fluctuates, but I mean...
Hour and a half.
About an hour and a half?
2 hours.
Man, y'all can't beat that. So...
Especially if you get here early.
Yeah.
Especially if you get here early.
Alright, y'all. So look, like I said, got on the phone with him today, talking about some business, and he told me he had something to show me. And like I told him, man, you can't hate coming to work. You got a whole car show up in here.
For real.
For real, for real. So, appreciate y'all for watching, man. Appreciate everybody who supported, who got the shirts, who got the air fresheners, who got the caps. Got some more caps coming out. So, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Peace. Alright, y'all, one more time before we leave. We got one more thing. What's going on?
What's up? What's up?
Alright, give us a shout out, man. What you got going on?
I'm Tyrell Shorts, owner of Steam Kings, a local cleaning and restoration company, and I also own TNS Customs, which are inside of our shop now. Come down, 3631 I-55 South. We got you 10 rims, whatever you need. Give us a call.
Yes, sir. Alright, so now I got to see who's responsible for everything I just showed y'all a while ago. So make sure y'all get in contact, support my boy Rob, man. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all.